welcome back to my channel. I am so back. Last week I don't have a video uploaded because I had a quick visit, short but sweet visit to Philippines, and I was not able to film even some footages in the airport and in the Philippines. I was not able to do that because the schedule was so busy and very hectic, so hindi ko siya naisingit. But now I'm so back, and after we've tackled facial mask and we also had wax, now I'm going to demonstrate to you hair color, because as you can see, all these white hair are currently waving, telling me to color my hair now. So without further ado, I'm going to try this on L'Oreal Intense Copper Brown. So let's do it. So this is the protective, I don't know if you can see it, protective color serum. So I'm going to apply it. It says here, for natural hair or hair that has been colored since more than 3 months, should be used on dry unwashed hair. So okay, I have been coloring since quite a few number of times already, so should be okay. So I'm just going to put my gloves on. Actually, when you put the protective serum, you doesn't have to wear gloves, but because from time to time I'm touching my camera, so I don't want my camera to be sticky, so just to protect it, I will just wear gloves. And then this one, I'm going to apply this hold on, this L'Oreal Excellence Protective Color Serum, right? So I just have, oh my gosh, okay, hold on, I'll just get scissors. Okay, I already cut it, and then this one, I'll just pour it to my hands like this. Oopsie, just like a typical way if we put on our conditioner. By the way guys, later if you put now the color, you have to wear something black or something colored t-shirt, so it will not have a stain on your clothes. So I'll just put some of this, and then we'll get you back on the next step. All right. guys, now as you can see, I already prepared my mixture, so I'm ready to apply this one. Normally I ask the help of my husband or my daughter to apply it for me, but first I will apply it on the area that I can still see and reach. Okay, basically guys, I just put all the mixture into the stubborn gray areas of my hair. So I'm going to let this soak for roughly about 30 minutes, and then after that I'm going to wash. Okay, I'll come back. Hello guys, welcome back. I already rinsed off my hair color and see the difference. It's a while ago this one got a lot of white hair. Now it's all covered up and my hair got a brand new color. And yeah, so let's eat guys. This is actually banana chips I bought from the Philippines. Actually pasalubong. My siblings just send it to me. Kain tayo guys. Banana chips fresh from the Philippines. Yay! So that's it guys. I hope you had an idea on how to have a hair color done at home and can actually save you a lot of money. So that's it. Bye until next video. I hope you can subscribe and like my videos for more. Bye bye. See you. The natural hair